I have an affection for these Inca planers and did a bunch of modifications to this one I thought I'd tell you about. I originally had a 550 and got the chance to acquire a 570 in pristine condition, and I've kind of done it up. First of all, I replaced the original base with a DeWalt planer base. I removed the DeWalt stickers that once appeared right there, and I took the top that was part of the DeWalt base and made it a shelf right here. And I made a new top out of 2 sheets of 3/4 inch Baltic birch laminated together and stained. Pretty nice, gives a real solid surface. As you can see, I add a bin to put push sticks and things through to help with joining. I've added a Wicksee digital readout here so you can see exactly the height that the planer bed is at. Let me show you where I attached it. I attached it to the planer bed right here, and here's the Wicksee thingy. I think if I did, again, I'd use the eye gauging brand unit. It mounts and attaches a little bit easier than this one, but I'm happy with it. The other thing I did to this planer joiner is I removed the original Inca drive system, kind of famed for being a little glitchy. It has a nylon gear thing that's known to get overheated and melt at times. Anyway, I followed the write-up of another Inca website forum member and added a Bodine motor and controller here. Basically, it's a 1/8 horsepower motor that spins at 57 RPM. The sprocket I use has about 40 teeth on it. Bought a new chain and cut it and to the right length. It works pretty slick. You can control the speed with the controller, so you can feed slower for really clean, fine finishing stuff, or faster if you're just trying to get some stuff done quickly. And I mounted the controller for the Leeson motor and the Bodine right there in the back. What else should I tell you about this? Last thing I should probably show you is the dust collection thing I made. This is made out of, I think it's high density polypropylene, or some plastic I have around the garage. Anyway, you can kind of see how it looks. You just lower the bed of the planer, stick it in there, and then you end up with the dust port right here for when you're joining. Works out slick. That's the Inca 570.